In this video, to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings or not showing. First, we need to go to run and we need to enter ncpa.cpl as package. Once you enter this menu will appear. Then you can go with Ethernet. If you are using Ethernet, you go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, you go with Wi-Fi and disable it. Yes, after disabling it, you need to enable that. Yes, now enabling right now. So this is the basic steps. So need to follow this starting. So we are entering the methods. So first you need to click run and enter service.msa. You need to go to service. Yes, click OK. And after you need to click for click and search for the auto VLAN auto config as and you need to check this. It will be in automatic mode and it should be the status will be running. If it is not running, you need to start this and click OK and right click and again restart it. And after restart, you need to check it's running mode or not. Okay. Then after you need to go to device manager. You need to update the drivers. Yes, sometimes the driver have issues. It will cause us the issues. So need to update the network adapters. If you are using the MediaTek adapters, you are good one need to search. And if you're using a Realtek, so you need to first check it. If you do not know, you need to update both the adapters. And after updating, you need to scan for hardware changes there. Click scan for hardware changes, and if you have any changes in hardware setup, it will scan it and repair it. And after it, you need to disable it once. Yes. Just do it in correct order. Then after that, you need to enable it. Yes. And if you want to know the exact adapters, you go with the network and the internet settings and you can check in that. And after doing this, you need to restart the PC. Once it's fixed, once it's restarted, it will be fixed. So thank you.